Morning everyone, welcome to this session number 380, and today we have this problem. One moment please. I will share this in Twitter. Okay, it's done. Yeah, we have this problem, and okay, you are given two integer arrays num1 and nums2 sorted in no decreases order, and integer k. Define a pair u and b which consists in one element from the first array and one element from the second array. Okay, return the k pairs with the smallest sums. Okay, smallest sums. Okay, first the constraints is the length of the both arrays have the minimum of 1 and find the maximum is 100,000, right? In this case is the values are negatives and positives. This is important. Nums1 and nums2 both are sorted in no decreasing order. I don't know why use this terminology. It's only simple say increasing order, and that's it. But well, k, the minimum is 1 and the maximum is 10,000, I think. And k it's mean or equal nums1 length multiplied by nums2 length. Okay, let me check here. He said that we need to copy this. Okay. Now we have these arrays, and we need to return in this case 3 pairs, and the problem said that we can take the first, we can use one element of this with this. The first 3 pairs are returned from the sequence 1. Return the k pairs, but in this case it's only 3. 1, 2, 3. Why appear this? Consisting one element from the first array and one element from the second array. Smallest sums. For example, here. Yeah, sure. This is the answer, not this. This is the answer. Is this. But in this case, it's taking the minor element between both, and basically is 1 plus 2, 1 plus 4, 1 plus 6. We have the 3 elements. okay, the first point is that can reduce the numbers. I think that are in increase order means that I can use this multiply by this. I need to return the pairs, right? Okay, yeah. But what happened if I have 1, 2, and 3, and here I have less 1, 0, 3. Here the minor is this, less 1 multiplied by no, it's less 1 and 1, the result is 0. Okay, now less 1 and 2, it's equal 1, less 1 comma 3, it's equal 2. Now the next that is the next is 0 with 1, it's equal 1, 0 with 2, it's equal 2, and 0 with 3, it's equal 3. In this case, for example, if k it's equal 8, we have sorting here. Yeah, I think that I need to use the priority queue again here, and we need to try to apply the operation with the minor value for all the elements in the ordered array. Yeah. Now, for example, this is done. Move to the next. This and this. What is minor? Is this okay? This for all of them. Yeah. Now the next, for example, is 3. What is minor? 3 or 1? 1. Okay. You take this and is applying the operation over this array. Okay. Now for this, come on. Okay. And stop this process where the priority queue have the size of this element. Yeah, it's not necessary to continue with others because we are moving between the minimums. Yeah, and well, yeah, the first is that we need to iterate over this and this. What and take the minimum. What is the minimum? Between 1 and 2. What is the minimum? The minimum is 1. Okay, I need to take this and apply the operation over all the numbers of this and save here. Save here and use the I was thinking that use the here I need identify I need a one key here that determine okay, this is the pair or this the one with the 2, for example, or the one with the 4. And here the result. Yeah, here this column of these values should be the sum. Yeah, the result. And I can use the sum as a key because it's possible to have duplicates. Yeah, and in this moment it's a problem, but or not. If I have yeah, if I have a hash map and this represent the sum. For example, 1 plus 2 is 3, 1 plus 4 is 5, 1 plus 6 is 7, and here a list with the elements. Well, do you imagine that this is the list, and is 1 comma or a pair 2, here is 1 comma 4, and here is 1 comma 6. Yeah, and now this is done, and now 7 and 2, what is the minimum? Is the 2. Is 2 plus 1 is 3, that is here, 2 1. Here I'm not sure, because 1 and 2 is one pair, and 2 and 1 is another pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 4, 1 and 6. Yeah, for example, if this is done, I need to check this. Return new array list. Yeah, where is 3, but what happened where is 4? I need to check if it's contemplated as the same result or different. For example, in this case, the first is this 1 for 2, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 4, 1 plus 6, and the next, this is done, and now it's between 7 and 2. What is the minimum? In this case is the 2, but the 2 discard the 1. Do you see? It's not contemplate. In this case, for example, okay, for avoid these options, yeah, I think that I can update this by 0, or okay, again. Okay, now we start here is 1 7 11, and the other is 2 4 and 6. Yeah, and when you take in this case L and R, for example, L and R, it's equal 0, it's equal 0 means that 1 and 2, what is the minimum? Is the 1. Okay, I need to apply, since the R, yeah, if I choose this one, I need transversal all the elements starting in the index R to the next. Yeah, for example, here is 1 and 2, 1 and 4, 1 and 6. I think even it's not necessary a priority queue here, because if I am moving between the minimums, I think that always I will get this. I think. Okay, in this case, for example, we have 3 elements. It's done. Now L update to 1. Yeah. Now we are comparing between 7, this, and the 2. What is the minimum? The minimum is 2. Okay, is transversal the array starting in this index 1, and is 2 7 2 11. Okay, no, in this case, for example, well, let me continue. Okay, now this is updated to 1, and now we need to compare the 7 with the 4. Yeah. What is the minimum? The minimum is 4. Is 4 starting in the index 1, 4, 7, 4, 11. Yeah, and this increase in 2. And now we are comparing between the 6 and 7. What is the minimum? The minimum is the 6. This case is 6, 7, 6, 11. Yeah, and it's done. Now where this is done is taking this by anyone, because I reached the final. Yeah, at this moment is done. Now let me check if this works. The result is 3, the result is 5, 7, this is 9, this is 13, and this is 11. Oh, okay, no, it's necessary the pretty Q, because here, for example, appear this number, and in this case, for example, is 15, in this case is 13, and this is 17, and the minimum values is 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 13, 15, and 17. Yeah. Okay, I think that means that I need to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maybe I need to traversal all the list and don't stop only when the map reach this k size. Okay, now okay, we have this way. Now how can I sort? I think that yeah, I can use the value of the sum, for example 5 and 7 as a key, and here have the list with the pairs 1, 2, 4, 7, no, for 7, sorry, 1 and 2, 1 and 4, 1 and 6, 9, 2 and 7, now is 11, 4 and 7, 13, and in this case appear 2, 2 and 11, and 4 and 7. Yeah, and so on and so on and so on, and use the priority queue for sort these elements. No, I think that it's not necessary sort. I can only use the values, get the values, sort these values, get the keys. In this case the keys is this, sort, yeah, in this case are sorted, and only take this and okay, give me the pairs and put in the, yeah, because we don't need return in any special I don't need return in a special order. This means that only this and put in the list. The next that this and put in the list, and only stop where this list reach this number and return it. Okay. Now okay, sorry, here. Now the next that is okay. Okay, we need to create the hash map. Integer, and here is a list of integers. Result it's equal map it's equal new hash map, and that's it. Now I need a list for the result, array list. In this case is I think that I can set the size in the array list. Set size I don't remember which structure allow the okay, whatever. Okay, we have this result. Now the next that is transversal. We need to check between both arrays. I think that is a while instead of for. While integer L it's equal 0, integer right it's equal 0, and here we need to ask if L it's minor that nums1 dot length, and R it's minor that length. Yeah, both should be minor that the lengths. Yeah, and in this case integer n1 it's equal nums in the nums1 in the position L, and this is the nums2 with the R. Come on. And now is define what is the minimum. Yeah, n1 it's minor that n2, where n1 is minimum, I need to apply this operation, and here is basically a for that integer I it's equal, if n1 it's minimum to n2, I need transversal the second array. Sorry, I forget both. Here the number 2. In this case, this should be star in the index R, and while I it's minor that nums2 dot length I plus plus, and inside I need to calculate the sum. It's equal n1 plus nums2 in the position I, and here is map.put. Well, in the case that doesn't exist the record of the tsum, map.contains key sum. In the case that is not contained, put sum new array list. Yeah, and next to is map.get the sum list.add, and in this case I need to add the is a list, but here is a list of pairs. Yeah, and here is new pair, and in this case is n1, that is the number, and in this case is nums2 in the position I. Now, and obviously if I do this, L should be increased in 1. And I think that is exactly the same for the other case, but let me check. Transversal. And now for this, I think is exactly the same, but changing the air by L. This change for 1, 1. Here is n2 plus n1. Okay, and this is the air. Okay, now in here I only need to transversal the map integer. Well, it doesn't matter the key in this case. No, it's important, sorry. Here is map.getKeys. I'm not sure. Always I forget the name. Is get keys or only keys? It's key set. Sorry. Key set. And here is result.all. This is a linear operation, but well, in this case is map.get. And no, this is wrong. The first is sort this collection. What return? Let me check. List integer keys, it's equal this. I want to see what is the if appear error. What? In the pairs. It's a set. Here is a set. In collection dot sort set Java. Yeah, it's with collection sort. I think that we can apply this over keys, and here keys, and now is result.all map.get n, and if result size is greater than k, return list, no, result, result sublist from array list. The first is ignore or exclusive. Sublist between 0 and k. That's it. Okay, I need to check what is the problem with the pair Java. New. Yeah, is it this way? It's a list of I think that okay, let me check. This is a list. The object, the items of this list is a pair. What is the problem? It's equal new hash map. One, two, 1, 2. Is yeah, but what is the error? And method sort. Collection sort keys. Okay, I have an error here, but integer is the only the first letter. Now here, what is happening? Sort set Java. No, order keys map Java. Oh, I can convert as a list. New array list. And now sort this in the collection. You know what? Let me change it to keys. Object can convert to int. Why should be integer? I don't think, but no. Keys, why? Keys is a list. Key set that is only one number. What is the error? Sure. Here return. Yeah, this is a list of lists. Yeah. Integer. You know what? In this case, I need to change this for a list. List. Okay. List of list. And here, new array list I'm not sure. I think that the way to initialize this is with this. Init array list with items. Oh, I think that is this arrays as a list. Okay, this case is array list and the elements inside them. Yeah, and here is the same, but into nums1. List of cannot convert. Object cannot convert to integer. Why? Keys is a list. Okay, now here is a function. Okay, well, 2 and 7, but is 7 what is happening here? Into in this case, for example, this is this 1 plus 2, 1 plus 6, plus 4, and 1 plus 6. Okay, it's done. Now this disappear, and now it's 7 and 2. What is the minimum? The minimum is the 2. Okay, means that is 2 and 7. Why? I think that always should be appear in this order. No. Why? What is the logic with this? Oh, sorry, it's here. Okay. Okay, here I think that is because and what is the k? What is the value of k? 100. And not 1000. What is the nums2? What is the nums2? It's here. Yeah, I think that I need to stop this. But in which moment? 1 and 2. For example, I need to return the 8 elements. It's 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, let me check here. And integer counter it's equal 0. Counter it's minor that k, and it is counter plus equal to. Yeah, because it's pairs, and this is the same. Here return empty. Why? No, here is 1 because it's pairs. Yeah, this is wrong. Yeah, I am counting by 2 because it's a pair, but it's not the it's not the numbers that contains, it's the number of pairs. Yeah, well, at least in this I come back to success, and here what is happening is by the order 1 1 2 1. Okay, what is happening here? 1 and 1, 2 and 1, 3 and 1. but no, it's 1 with 1, 1 with 2, 1 with 3. Yeah, but this is the minimum, minor, equal. No. If this is minor, in this case the 1 is okay, both have the same 1 to 3 until 10,000, and this is the same. Means that this is minor than this? No. In this case is 1 with 1, 1 with 2, 1 with 3. Why appearing this way? I don't understand the sort of this. Yeah, I don't understand the question. The result have a special order, or for example here again, why? In this case, the minimum we have the pointer in the left, or in the nums1 is in the 7, and in nums2 the pointer is in the 2. Nums2 okay, here fail 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 1 1 1 2 2 1. Why? Let me create another, oh no, another example here. 1 2 3 1 2 3, and here for example 3. In this case is 1 multiplied by any one of these. Next to is 1 multiplied by this, and this. Now is 2 and 2 is 2 by 3, and it's all. Okay, let me remove this test because it's noisy in the screen. Okay, yeah, here for example 1 and 1, this is minor than this? No, means that this is 1 with 1, 1 with 2. Is 1 1 with 1, 1 with 2, and 1 with 3. mm. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, A and B. Between 1, it's minimum to 1, no. I take this and I create the pairs. 1 and 1, 1 and 2, 1 and 3. Yeah. And now between 1 and 2, what is the minimum? The minimum is 1. Okay, means that 1 and 2, 1 and 3. Yeah. Now this is done. Now the next, between 2 and 2, what is the minimum? Well, are equal means that I take this and is 2 with 2 and 2 with 3. Yeah. Now this is done. Now between 2 and 3, what is the minimum? The minimum is the 2, means that is this by this. 2 and 3, and it's done. Yeah. Now having this, the sum of this is 2, 3, 2, it's 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 4, 5, and 5. If I sort, basically is 1 and 1. Next to is 1 and 2. Next to is 1 and 2. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. In this case it's only this 1 1 1 2 1 2 1 1 1 2 2 1. Why 2 1? Okay, if I change the condition to be not equal, for example 1, it's be not equal 1, yeah, I take this, 1 by this, and by this. Okay, 1 and 1, 1 and 2, 1 and 3. Okay, this now is done. Okay, now the next that is 2, it's mean or equal 1, no. Okay, the next that is this 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Add 3. 1 and 2 and 1 and 3. Now this one is done. Now the next that is 2, it's mean or equal 2. This is mean or equal this, yeah. Okay, is this with this. Okay, 2 and 2, 2 and 3, and this is done. Now the next that is the next between 2 and 3, what is the minimum? Is 2 and 3, and it's done. Now making the add operation is 2 3 4 3 4 4 5 and 5. And now sorting is 1 and 1. The next that is 1 and 2. The next that is 1 and 2. I don't understand why here is 2. Why is in the positive order? return the pairs Q1 with value 1, Q2 first is the nums1. One and 3 y. One and one and one and one. Yeah, because it's this with this and this with this. And now the next set is this. One and one, one and two. Why I return this? Well, okay, I think that I will check in the next session, but thanks for following this transmission, and I hope see you in the next. Bye bye.